Hey, welcome to my YouTube. Um, this is just me opening up random packs, random packs. Just Pokemon in general. It's like the worst intro ever, but yeah, this is my YouTube channel. I open Pokemon packages up, cards. I might do like football cards, maybe some baseball cards. Um, and I know for a fact I'll be doing some Dragon Ball Z cards because I just got some. So we'll see. But today's episode, we are opening up the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion pack, and we're opening up two Champions Path Elite Trainer boxes in the hunt for that Charizard. I've opened two of them. I haven't got anything. No Charizards, except for the promo Charizard. But yeah, let's do this. Let me switch cameras and let's go. All right. First, we're gonna open up this Crimson Invasion pack. Let's see what's in it. If I can even open it. I just got this at Target today. It was on sale for like $35. I was like, might as well. If you guys want to see the artwork, let's open this up. I guess. Where is it? There you are. That's actually pretty cool. And that's the artwork. But now I can never put this back in the box. It's all good. We'll just throw that away. And here we go. Here is... Oh, what is this? Check what's new. Oh, Poke Center. Alright, let me just fix this. Alright. Now, here's the book. Let's see what the ultra rares are in this package. We got some gold cards. Rainbow, Executor, Chevali, if I'm even saying that right. Kartana, Gyarados, Golem. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but a Buzzwole and a Guzzlord. And then we have your regular GXs. Alright, well, with no further, I don't know where to put this. No further ado, let's open this box, shall we? Does that usually happen? No, that's weird. This goes in the trash pile. Boom. Oh, we got one pack just chilling right here. Alright. So obviously, we got our little sleeves for the pack. Obviously, the energies. Maybe I should fix this. Some dividers. That's pretty cool. Never had that one before. Oh crap. Code. And oh, there's some dices in here also. Other than that, I guess we'll use these sleeves. Cover this back up. What in the world? Why are you so hard? There you go. Well, you don't have to see my face for this one, so let's switch over. There we go. Alright, there's... Why is this not even focused? Sorry, I have technical difficulties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll save this one for last, because it was just off in the side somewhere. Might be good luck. So here we go. Pack number 1 of Crimson Invasion. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4. And let's see what we got. Energy. That's Diggersby. I don't know how to pronounce that. Peking Red card. Grumpig. Numal. I don't know how to pronounce that either. Nope. Lone Geodude. A Pikachu. I haven't seen one of these. I'll keep this to the side. Hollow. Reverse. And the GX. Whoa. Not bad for the first set. I'll put this in the sleeve. Alright. So I'll just throw this away too. Take these cards, put it over here. I'm going to keep this off to the side because it's a very, very nice looking Pikachu. I forgot to put the stuff away. Whatever. Second pack. Let's open this up. Oh, well, that was a white card. That's why. Code 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright. Energy. Kakuna. Gastrodon. Starly. Salandit. Shelmet. Don't know what that is. Staryu. That's a nice. Shellos. Hollow Reverse. And then Beware. Put all these to the side. Third pack. Sorry, I'm changing some stuff up around here. Alright. This is third pack. Code. Alright. Energy. Pillsbury. Counter Catcher. Starvia. Alolan Geodude again. Diono. Shellos. Corphish. Not saying that name. Hollow Kakuna. And a rare Regirock. So far, only one GX card. Jesus. This is gonna be bad. Fourth pack. Come on. Is that the fourth pack? Four? Yep. Alright. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Counter Energy. Gastrodon. Fighting Memory. Salandit. Phoebus. Cubone. Yay. Shellos again. Bunnelby. Hollyverse Mankey. And Silvally. Nice. Alright. We got those two. Set these cards off to the side somewhere. Why? Alright. This pack, wow, this feels heavy. Holy crap. Quote card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, another Kakuna, Celigor, Starvia, Jangmo, a Staryu, a Hondor, a Ghastly, Corphish, Octillery, and a Primate. Now, that's a weird artwork. I don't know if I like it or not. Huh, interesting. Off to the next one, shall we? Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Let's go. Kakuna, Gastrodon, another Cubone, Salandit, a Phoebus, Carblast, Jangmo, Bumblebee, and a Registeel. Interesting. Interesting artwork. That's pretty nice. Alright, we got 2 packs left of these Crimson Invasion Elite Booster Pack. Or box. Alright. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Energy, Alone Graveler, Molga, Larion, Corphish, Mincinome, maybe I said that wrong, maybe. Correct me if I did, whatever. Weedle, another Cubone, Salandit, Hollywood Corphish, and a rare Miss Magus. Man, I don't know how to English today, so sorry about that. And the pack that we saved for last. You know, hopefully we get some last pack magic. Oh, this one clear opened up like butter. Yeah. Code card. Oops, sorry. Oh, this is gonna be trash. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Was mean. Kakuna. Score. Normal. Swinub. Swabble. Shelmet. Hollyverse. Miss Magus. And Primate. Whoa. That was a bust. Oh man. Total bust. But it's all good. I'll put these cards in a deck box. Oh man, that was a bust. Put all these cards in the deck box. Put them in for later. But as you can tell, this is my second day camera. I still gotta set it up. It's still pretty. Doesn't focus very well. Put this box up here. Now moving on. That was a Crimson Invasion ETB. So inside, because I collect those anyways. I'll put these away. Put this away. If you want these code cards, just let me know in the comments if you want them. I'll send them over to you or something. I should probably write that down. Whatever. I'll just keep it over here. Well, so this is what we pulled from that box. Two GXs. Oh well. We're on to the Champion's Path. I still yet have to pull Charizard from here. Well, I'm gonna turn off this light. Let's see what happens. Lighting is not very good. I need to get one of those ring lights. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna turn that back on. Alright. I'm gonna open this up. So I'm gonna switch over to my other camera. And hopefully it does better. So we're gonna move this like hold on. I'm struggling right now. Oops. We're gonna move this so it's like right here. So I'm gonna just clamp up and put it right here. Let's see if we get a better camera view. Well, it's not that great, but it could be worse. I should have fixed all these little issues before shooting this, but you know, live and you learn, right? But it's all good. No, I want to block that page. Open this box up. Throw trash over there in the trash. Throw this in the trash. Another guide. Yeah, throw this one away also. Don't need that. But here, Champion's Path. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Of course, you get all that. Dice. Whatever those are. Boom. Oh, come on. Champion's Path. Cold card. If anybody wants it. Got the energy. Got the promo Charizard. And of course we have the sleeves. But I'm gonna keep these sleeves because one, I already have them open right here. So here we go. Switch over to the camera. And hopefully this works. I'll leave that right there. Pick this up a little bit. Hang it down. Open the first pack up. Ooh. Code card. Put this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Energy. Triple Stadium. Milo. Rotom Scraggy. a full heal, Rockruff, Zigzagoon, a Weedle, a Potion, and Marnie. Is this a Hollow Reverse Potion? Yeah, it is. Alright. I'll throw this book away too. We don't need that. Stack this away also. Don't need that. Second pack. Trash. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's wait for this to focus. If it does focus, I guess not. Energy, Bike, Sonia, a Great Ball, Ekans, Carvanha, a Pokeball, a Potion, another Rockruff, a Machamp Hollow, and a Hatterene Hollow. Hollow Bird Hollow. Oh, these aren't great pulls. Alright, on to the next one. Trash pile. Cool card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Milo, Hatterene, Beedrill, Potion, another Rockruff, Tina, Trubbish, Nickit, Unknown, Scrafty. Wow, these are horrible pulls. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this is... Man. Am I the only one having all these trouble with this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Energy, Beedrill, Hop, Truffaut Stadium, Roly-Coly, Machop, Vulpix, Potion, Carvanha, and Team Yogurt, and another Machamp. I probably pulled more Machamps in this deck than anything else. Oh man, this is not cool whatsoever. Alright. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Beedrill, Truffaut Stadium, Milo, Ivana, Pokeball, Potion, Rockruff, Tina, Milo, and what is this? Elgos. Alright, well, that's the first V I pulled from this pack. Put that in there. There you go, you little beautiful whatever thing you are. We have 5 packs left from the CTB. Cold card. Fire Energy, Hop, Poke Center Lady, Suspicious Food Tin. That would be nice to get in a gold. Sizzlepede, a Swabble, another Carvanha. I'm tired. Weedle, Purloin, and Obstacle. Man, I have like a limited amount of those. Four packs left. Hopefully there's some magic in these. If not, then I don't even know why I bought these. Oh, wrong one. There you go. Okay, here we go. Water Energy, Sharpedo, Malamar, Piers, Inkay, a Vulpix, a Potion, Ekans, Purloin, Hatterene, and another Machamp. Wow, what a letdown. I just got a question. Like, when they package these, did they think like, hey, I think it'd be funny if we just put Machamps in all of the packages. Let's see how they react. Cause that's what I feel like that is. 3 packs left. Hoping for the best. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And here we go. Energy, Victini, Suspicious Food Tin, Kabu, Ekans, Purloin, Sizzlepede, Full Heal, Zigzagoon, Ekans, and I don't know how to say that. I'm not even gonna try. Nope, not gonna embarrass myself. Not gonna do that. But whatever. 2 packs left. Oh man, this is nerve-wracking. Really, really nerve-wracking. Alright. We got 1 V card out of this whole box. Are you kidding me right now? Cool card. Whenever it focuses. There. There you go. Alright. Energy. Machoke. Arbok. A Vulpix. A Potion. Ekans. Purloin. Sizzlepede. Scrafty. And another one. Are you kidding me? Jesus. I guess I'll put this one in the sleeve also. Well, whoever packaged this box, thank you. Thank you for nothing. I really appreciate it. Last pack magic. Let's go. I can already tell this is going to be a crap. There's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please give me something good. Energy. Trofield Stadium. Rotom Phone. Oh my Jesus. Roly-Coly. Scraggy. Weedle. Atkins. Oh my God. Wow. This whole box was a bust. Was it worth paying that much money for? Was it worth $50? No. Not this one. Not this one. Definitely not. Man. Only thing good about... I got Charizard. Whatever. 2 Elgross. Eldegoss. Sorry. Alright. Put all these cards away. Because that is not cool. Definitely not cool. Not cool at all. Man, oh man. Well, I'm trying to put all these in this Champions Path bulk box. So, if we don't get lucky with this next one, I am going to open up one of these Marnie Champions Path. Guaranteed. Like, not going to do it. Can't go out like that. Cannot go out like that. Not one bit. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Wow, that was disgusting. That was my bad. But before we get to open this last one, let me see. Sorry. Oh, by the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, there's a link somewhere in this YouTube for my TikTok. Go follow that. I got more stuff on there. My first video. So put in the comments what you guys think I should do better, or what kind of camera I should get that focuses better. That's Logitech, because you know, big fan of Logitech. But man, oh man. Alright, back to business. Last box. Hopefully, well, it's not the last box. I got more over here, but hopefully this box. I need to get better lighting in here. This light's way too bright. But last box for today. And if we don't get something good out of here, I'm definitely going to open up that Marnie box or a Hatterene box or something. Man. I gotta be like the unluckiest dude ever. Pulled no heat. No heat whatsoever. That box was cold. Ice cold. Another guidebook. Throw that one away. What in the world? Look at this. Look at the way this is packaged. What in the... Alright, hopefully it doesn't mess up my cards. But that's there. Just pull this out. Why does it do that? Pull out this Charizard. Keep the energy in there. Take this. Put them out right there. Put this back in there nice and neat. Obviously, I can't do that. Why is this so hard? Alright, put all the stuff back in here. And so I've been hearing that pull rates for these are like horrible. So I don't know why I keep getting my hopes up. Oh man, oh man, oh man. But yeah. Let's see what these packs bring. Alright, 10 packs. Hopefully good luck. Alright. Now this package doesn't want to open. Jesus, that was a rough package. Alright. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for this bad boy to load. Energy. I'm a choke. Pierce. Malmar. Trubbish. Olicoli. Zigzagoon. Oweedle. Purloin. Pierce. And another Hatter. Oh my. Champion's Path. Champion's Path. Oh, why? Why do I do this to myself? Trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get this. Energy. Truffle Stadium. Victini. Hatterene. Trubbish. Olicoli. Zigzagoon. Weedle. Potion. And yeah, that thing. Oh man. No luck today on these cards. No luck. Shoot. trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep saying it. Energy. Milo Arbok. You know what? I'm just going to flip through these cards because I'm tired of saying their names over and over again. Look. Another Machamp. Oh man. Why couldn't that be like a ultra rare in this? Because I would have pulled a lot of them already. Here's your code card. Put that over there. Did I do this right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I totally messed this pack up, but here you go. Yeah, I definitely messed this pack up. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys been having this luck, this bad luck with Champion's Path. Because I can't be the only one. But I see everyone else pull these Charizards. Walmart, Team Yell, Grant, Phone, Ekans, Weedle, no. Another Machamp! Screw that card. Oh, sorry, whoops. Man, I swear. I get another Machamp. I have better luck with these dollar cards than with Champion's Path. Oh, wait. Trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, oh no. Energy. Yes, Hatterene, Suspicious Food Team, against Weedle. No. Alright. Oh man, oh man. Complete doo-doo once again. And I'm already more than halfway through this whole deck. Well, hopefully we have some last pack magic in here, because I'm definitely going to need that. Let's go. Energy, Tropho Stadium, Victini. Are you kidding me? As I'm doing this, I really hate this. Oh, man. Champion's Path. This is not what I wanted from you at all. Putin again. Lido, Zigzagoon, Rockruff. Man. Oh, Jesus. No GX, no V card. Nothing. Oh, I take that back. Not GX. No VMAX, no V cards, no full arts, no golds. Man. Oh my Jesus. This box is horrible. You really did. You don't even want these cold cards, to be honest. This is ridiculous. Here we go. If you focus. Oh crap, hold on 1 second. Oops. Energy, Rotom Bike. Pedo Pier. Okay, Leon. Energy and basic V. Venusaur. Wow. This is not cool. So you're telling me that 20 booster packs Champion's Path. I have only pulled these 3 cards. Like what? What? And people are reselling this for $100? Just imagine paying $100 for this and getting this set right here. Wow. I would be heated. Oh man. I would be super heated. But yeah, I got a big ass mess to clean up. You want to see the mess I gotta clean up? Jesus Christ. All that. But it's all good. We're still in the hunt for the Charizard. So stay tuned for some more videos. Hope you like this one. Let me know in the comments. I know it kind of took a little bit long, but let me know in the comments what I should do better, how I can do better. Probably need a better camera that, focuses better. But other than that, as you can see, I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff to open, a lot of stuff to give away. Head over to my TikTok. I do a lot of giveaways over there. It's KidFro, K1D, FR0W on TikTok. Yeah, but thanks for joining me in this horrible pulls. Horrible. Yeah. I have better luck with the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree packs. Man. It's kind of depressing. Well, peace. I'm out. Until next time. Follow. Oh, you can't follow on here, can you? Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Till next time.